do a week planning, and one of the Tuesday it was Sankranti, and morning all children shared their planning and lots of complicated. Okay, so if planning is quite interesting. Some will do the planning 11:15 to 11:45, 11:45 to 12, 12 to 12:30, 12:30 to 12:45. Okay, and some will do. I'm just doing this today. So there is a variety of and sometimes it suffocates you when you listen 11 to 11:15 and 11:15 to 11:45. So, okay, are you somewhere if that belief is there that okay, children are getting into this and I have to now correct, set them right, be open, don't go by these time limits and all this kind of thing. So I had interaction with the child and they say, I really mean it. I know it's all visual in my mind that what I want to do, I want to do all these things. So all kinds of complicated goals were discussed on that day, and Ratnesh was there on that day. He was supposed to be the last one on that day, and he announced, today I'm not doing anything, I'm just flying kites. It was Sankranti day, he said, I'm just flying kites today. So there was a little hoo, then la, I forgot it, and then one child suddenly announced, I'm not doing anything, I'm just changing my plan and I'm also flying the kites. Other one said, but we can fly on Sunday also, na? So, I'll go ahead with my planning today. And the previous day when they were doing the weekly planning, so I told them tomorrow is Sankranti, so we can plan it out. So they planned it in the evening, 1.5 hours is enough. So in that group now, few kids continued with, no, we'll only do in the evening because my whole planning will go haywire and all. But in the span of 10 minutes, different things, different expressions came, and by the 12th minute, everybody announced that we all are flying the kites. So during the reflection, when I was interacting with them, so one of the child said, I was thinking that if I changed my planning, what all implications it had. So I took time before I decided that I will change my plan. Another one said, flying kite was more important for me. So it was okay if I was not doing other things. It was even the decision which they took, and it appeared to me some children are thinking, some children are apprehensive, some children are, if I just seeing what they are reacting, lot of judgment I can pass. But when I interacted with them, there was a whole lot of thinking behind what they thought, how they thought, why they changed and how they changed. One said, okay, when I was planning, I thought nobody will be there. I get bored whole day, although you told we can fly whole day. So I just kept it 1 hour. Good, I changed my decision because then first time in my life, I have struggled so much with the kite flying and all those kind of things. So it was, it was quite interesting the way the whole thought process went into even to change. Although it was all their planning, they wanted to do, and now suddenly their plan changed, and it was quite beautiful, and we ended up flying kites whole day.